Hi everyone, in this video we're going to create this month's mini mixed media project. These are the items that you will receive in your kit, something similar to the chipboard. You will also receive micro beads, a pink or purple color. So the first step I'm going to do, figure out where I'm going to place my chipboard frame at. And I'm just reusing my stencil from the mixed media tutorial that we uploaded last week. With using the this chipboard stencil, you know, sometimes letting it dry, it'll kind of wrinkle up a little bit. But I mean, you can always place it under some books or put it through a hair straightener and flatten it back out. But what I'm going to do is I found, well, this is the journaling card from this month's collection, and I thought it would just look really cute in the frame. So I'm just kind of measuring it out and then going to adhere all of that together onto the frame. And this is my son helping me to squirt the glue out of the bottle. I'm just trying to use up the rest of this glue, what little bit's left. You know, just trying to use up my stuff and just kind of clear out some things. So anyway, I'm just going ahead and gluing all of this together, you know, because I'll be gluing it down on the canvas panel a little bit later on. Now I'm going to take my palette knife from last month's kit and apply the crackle paste onto it. And very similar, well, really the same thing what I did in last week's mixed media tutorial. I really liked the effect of that, so I wanted to apply that same concept for this project. It just really looks neat when it dries and you have the cracks and then you run the wax paste over it. It just really adds just a really neat distressed vintage look. So after letting the crackle paste dry, and you'll know it's dry because you can run your finger over it and there won't be any sticking to your finger. You'll also be able to see quite a bit of cracks depending on how thick you put your crackle paste on. And so it's already dry, and so now I'm just rubbing some rose gold wax paste with my finger all around the frame. So now I'm taking the chocolate ganache texture paste and I'm painting that onto our chipboard word with the paintbrush from last month's kit. And basically I'm just doing it a little bit for the color because I do like the glitter flakes that are in the paste. I will, after it dries, I will be putting the rose gold wax paste over the whole word, because I just, kind of add a little sheen to it, and a little bit of a color, because just applying it like it is, it's still like a tan brown color. So I do want to elevate it a little bit. You will notice in this month's project, I'm leaving the background white. For this one, I just wanted to do that. And so that's why I have, painted the frame. I will finish painting the chipboard word, and, adding colors that way. But I do like the idea of having a white background sometimes, especially when you have a small project such as this. That way, it's not that much white space that we have, and we do have some of the stenciling done for the texture. So I think it all works really well together without making it overcrowded. So I'm just going to keep gluing on the embellishments, and then I will also be adding the micro beads. And this will pretty much finish the rest of this tutorial. If you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. Thank you so much for watching.